ଏହି ଭିଡ଼ିଓରେ ଆଜି ଆମେ 100ଟି ଇଂଲିଶ ପେଡାଗୋଜିର କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନକୁ ଡିସ୍କସନ୍ କରିବା, ଯାହା ମଧ୍ୟରେ ଇମ୍ପୋର୍ଟାନ୍ସ ଅଫ୍ ଟିଚିଂ ଇଂଲିଶ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଲର୍ଣ୍ଣିଂ ଇଂଲିଶ ଇନ୍ ଦ ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ କଣ୍ଟେକ୍ସଟର କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ ଗୁଡ଼ିକ ରହିବ। 100ଟା କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ ରହିବ। ଭିଡ଼ିଓଟିକୁ ସମ୍ପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ଭାବରେ ଦେଖିବେ। ଏହାର ପିଡିଏଫଟିକୁ ଡାଉନଲୋଡ୍ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଟେଲିଗ୍ରାମ ଗ୍ରୁପର ଲିଙ୍କ ଡିସ୍କ୍ରିପସନ ବକ୍ସରେ ରହିଛି, ସେଠୁ ଯାଇ ଜଏନ୍ ହୋଇ ଡାଉନଲୋଡ୍ କରିପାରିବେ। ଭିଡ଼ିଓଟି ଭଲ ଲାଗିଲେ ଭିଡ଼ିଓକୁ ଲାଇକ୍ କରିବେ, ଚ୍ୟାନେଲକୁ ନୂଆ ଥିଲେ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲକୁ ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ କରିବେ। କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ ନମ୍ବର 1, why is English considered important in the present global context? The right answer is option number B, for assessing global knowledge. Question number 2, which skill is primarily improved through English teaching in school? तो यार राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर बी, कम्युनिकेशन स्किल। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, इंग्लिश इज कॉल्ड ए लिंक लैंग्वेज बिकॉज। द राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर ए, इट कनेक्ट डिफरेंट रीजन एंड पीपल। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, which one is not an advantage of learning English? The right answer is option number C, isolation from the world. Question number 5, English teaching helps students. The right answer is option number B, to connect with global community. Question number 6, which international test assess proficiency in English? The right answer is option number A, question number 7, in India English is taught as a. The right answer is option number C, link language. Question number 8, what is the role of English in higher education in India? The right answer is option number A, medium of instruction. Question number 9, which is a challenge in teaching English in rural India? The right answer is option number A, lack of exposure. Question number 10, which of the following is an outcome of learning English? The right answer is option number B, access to international opportunity. Question number 11, which approach emphasize using English for real life situation? The right answer is option number C, communicative approach. Question number 12, what is the primary aim of teaching English at school level? The right answer is option number B, to develop language skill. Question number 13, which international organization recognize English as an official language? The right answer is option number A, UNO. Question number 14, English often called the language of. The right answer is option number A, science and technology. Question number 15, why do multinational companies prefer employee with English skill? The right answer is option number A, for better teamwork and communication. Question number 16. Which is the official working language of the Indian judiciary and parliament? The right answer is option number C, English. Question number 17. Which method focus mainly on translation into mother tongue? The right answer is option number A, grammar translation method. Question number 18. English teaching in school also promote. The right answer is option number A, national integration. Question number 19. Which skill is most required in present digital age along with English? The right answer is option number A, computer literacy. Question number 20. Which factor show the importance of English in research? The right answer is most journals are published in English. Question number 21. Which is the most common barrier in learning English in India? The right answer is lack of motivation. Question number 22. Why is English important for competitive examination in India? The right answer is option number A. It tests communication and comprehension. Question number 23. Which teaching aid is most effective in English learning today? The right answer is option number B, digital tools. Question number 24. English is often a medium for. The right answer is international diplomacy. Question number 25. Which factor makes English essential in science and technology? The right answer is option number A. Most research papers are written in English. Question number 26. What is the main focus of communicative language teaching? The right answer is option number B, communication competency. Question number 27. Which skill is least focused in grammar translation method? The right answer is option number C, speaking. Question number 28. Which skill is most required for global employability? The right answer is option number A, English communication. Question number 29. What is one social advantage of learning English? The right answer is option number A, wider social interaction. Question number 30. Which organization often conduct interview in English? The right answer is option number A, multinational company. Question number 31. Which is not a goal of English language teaching? The right answer is option number C, encouraging isolation. Question number 32. English is also called a library language because. The right answer is most books are available in English. Question number 33. Which is an affective factor in learning English? The right answer is option A, motivation. Question number 34. Which skill is tested most in English comprehension tests? The right answer is option number A, reading skill. Question number 35. Why is English considered the language of opportunity? The right answer is option number A, it opens doors to job and education. Question number 36. Which teaching strategy is best for developing English speaking skill? The right answer is option number A, role play and conversion. Question number 37. Which is not a benefit of English in globalization? The right answer is option number D, restrict global communication. Question number 38. Which digital platform is widely used for learning English? The right answer is option number A, question number 39. Which factor explain the importance of English in tourism? The right answer is option number A, tourists from different countries use English. Question number 40. Which factor show English as a unifying language in India? The right answer is option number B, it is spoken only in one state. Question number 41. Question number 40 ର right answer ହେଇଯିବ option number A, it bridge communication between states. Question number 41. Which of the following is the most important reason for learning English in the 21st century? The right answer is option number B, for global communication. Question number 42. English is called a link language because. The right answer is option number A, it links nations together. Question number 43. In India, English is important because. The right answer is option number B, it is an associate official language. Question number 44. Which of these is the academic importance of English? The right answer is option number A, access to international books and journals. Question number 45. English helps in employability because. The right answer is option number A, Most interviews are conducted in English. Question number 46. Which organization has made English a global language of communication? The right answer is option number B, UNO. Question number 47. Which of the following is a psychological reason to learn English? The right answer is option number A, build confidence in learner. Question number 48. Which skill is directly improved by English learning in ICT age? The right answer is computer literacy. Question number 49. English is called a library language because the right answer is majority of books are in English. Question number 50. Which of these fields is highly influenced by English? The right answer is option number A, science and technology. Question number 51. Which type of English is more useful in present context? The right answer is functional English. Question number 52. The teaching of English as a foreign language in India begin with. The right answer is Macaulay Minute 1835. Question number 53. Which skill is most required in English for global business? The right answer is option number A, communication skill. Question number 54. English helps students in higher education mainly by. The right answer is option number A, providing access to global resource. Question number 55. Which sector has the maximum demand for English proficiency? The right answer is for IT sector. Question number 56. What is the cultural importance of English? Right answer is option number A. It helps in cultural exchange. Question number 57. Which of these is not a reason for learning English today? The right answer is option C. To reduce literacy. Question number 58. Which is the role of English in national integration? The right answer is option number A. It unity people of different region. Question number 59. English is considered as a window to the world because. The right answer is option number A. It provides global exposure. Question number 60. Which factor has made English indispensable today? The right answer option number A. Globalization. Question number 61. English is called the language of science because. Right answer is most scientific work are published in English. Question number 62. English in India is mainly taught as. The right answer is option number B, second language. Question number 63. Which of these is the political importance of English in India? The right answer is option number A. It is serves as an associate official language. Question number 64. Which skill is considered most important in English learning today? The right answer is option number A, listening. Question number 65. Which economic factor increase the importance of English? The right answer is global job market. Question number 66. Which of these is an educational role of English in India? The right answer is option number A, medium of higher education. Question number 67. English is considered a world language because. The right answer is option number A, it is spoken in many countries. Question number 68. Which area benefit most from English in globalization? The right answer is option number A, international trade. Question number 69. English is essential in IT sector because. The right answer is option number A, most programming language use English keyword. Question number 17. Which of these is an international test of English proficiency? The right answer is option number A. Question number 71. English is often called the language of opportunity because. The right answer is it provides access to job and education. Question number 72. Which is the role of English in research? The right answer is option number A, access to international journal. Question number 73. Which English skill is most used in international travel? The right answer is option number A, speaking. Question number 74. Which sector use English as a working language worldwide? The right answer is option number A. Question number 75. English help in digital literacy because. The right answer is option number A. Most online content is in English. Question number 76. Which English skill is crucial for academic success? The right answer is option number A, reading comprehension. Question number 77. English is used in diplomacy because. The right answer is option number A, it is accepted as a common medium. Question number 78. English play a key role in cultural globalization by. The right answer is option number A, sharing movie, music and media. Question number 79. Which is the main challenge in learning English in India? The right answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 80. Which is the ultimate aim of teaching English in school? The right answer is option number A, developing communicative competency. Question number 81. English is often referred to as the language of dash in the global context. The right answer is option number D, commerce. Question number 82. Which skill is crucial in English for professional growth in the 21st century? The right answer is option number C, speaking. Question number 83. English is considered as a dash language in India's education policy. The right answer is option number B, associate official. Question number 84. Which of the following reflect the international instrumental importance of English? The right answer is option number B, global communication. Question number 85. English helps in assessing. The right answer is option number C, scientific knowledge. Question number 86. Which is not a valid reason for teaching English in school today? The right answer is option number C, promoting isolation. Question number 87. Which term best describes English as a connecting language among Indian? The right answer is option number C, link language. Question number 88. The growing importance of English in technology is due to its role as a. So your right answer is option number A, medium of innovation. Question number 89. English learning is vital in the era of globalization because it is. The right answer is option or B, enhance international collaboration. Question number 90. Which factor increase parents' demand for English medium school? The right answer is option or B, career prospects. Question number 91. English education is strongly linked to dash mobility. The right answer is option number A, social. Question number 92. The importance of English in India increased after dash. The right answer is option number C, informational technology boom. Question number 93. English is often described as a dash language in the United Nations. The right answer is option number A, working. Question number 94. Which is the psychological benefit of learning English? The right answer is option number A, improved confidence. Question number 95. English enhance employability because it is the language of. The right answer is global job market. Question number 96. Which prosperity show English as a means of empowerment? The right answer is option number A, economic. Question number 97. English as a second language ECL primarily focused on. The right answer is option number A, everyday communication. Question number 98. Which approach promote English for developing global citizenship? The right answer is option number A. Question number 99. English plays a key role in dash education in India. The right answer is option number A. Higher. Question number 100. English is often seen as a dash in modern India. The right answer is option number C. Resource. तो 100 एमसीक्यू माध्यम इंग्लिश पेडागोजी क्वेश्चन को डिस्कशन कले वीडियो भल लगे वीडियो को लाइक करेंगे और चैनल को ना चैनल सब्सक्राइब करेंगे यार पीडीएफ टी डाउनलोड करने को जो मैंने चाहूँगी से पीडीएफ लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स रे टेलीग्राम ग्रुप रो जॉइन होई डाउनलोड करि परिबे।